Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen by Nana. Hope you're all fine and having a lovely day. On our menu today is soft mandazi recipe. I'm making them for evening tea, but you can have them for breakfast or you can just have them as a snack any time of the day. For this recipe, what I need is sugar, baking powder, butter, an egg and milk. The egg and the milk add a very nice, delicious taste to the mandazi, and the butter makes the mandazi very soft. Normally when I make them, I don't just eat all of them. I actually keep some of them for the next day or for the next 2 days, and they still taste very great and soft. After adding the sugar and the baking powder to the flour and mixing it very well, add your butter and mix it very well with the flour until it becomes like crumbs. On none of those lazy and boring evenings or weekends, you can just make these because they're very simple to make. It's an easy process, and even the time, it's not, by the way, a long time, because even after like mixing the dough and everything, you just leave it to rest for about only 30 minutes. So it takes a very short time, like an hour, to prepare them. So I will leave all the measurements for the ingredients that I've used in this recipe down below in the description box. Feel free to check it out. I'll also leave for you like 3 recipes that you'll love. By the way, for some people who don't take milk, you can just do your mandazi without milk. And for those who don't eat eggs, you can also just do your mandazi without the eggs. Mix everything very well and add the milk accordingly. We don't want the dough sticky, we just want it to be soft but not sticky. If you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button. It's down below in red. Also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload. Lately I upload 2 to 3 videos a week, so you don't want to miss any of those videos. And also don't forget to leave your comments behind. So I'm just going to transfer my dough to a flat surface and knead it very well until it is soft and it is not sticky on my hands. After kneading the dough very well, just set it aside and let it rest on room temperature for about 30 minutes. So my dough has been resting for the 30 minutes that I talked about. It is soft and this is how I want it to be. It's not sticking on my hands, so I'm going to roll it and I'll cut the desired shapes. Just pour some flour on the surface that you're going to use and then roll. The same way you roll a chapati or any kind of dough is the same way you're going to roll this dough. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to cut out the desired shapes, but I'm using a knife. And also don't make the dough to be very thick when you're rolling it, because it's going to rise. That is why you see mine isn't like too big, it's not too thick, because it is going to rise when I'm frying them. Place them carefully in the oil. You don't want it to splash on your face, you don't want it to burn your fingers. Just be careful. The oil doesn't have to be too hot, because they will just brown on top and they won't be ready on the inside. Don't overcrowd them in the pan, just leave them to have some breathing space, and in case they start browning, you just flip them over so that the other side also browns. So the mandazi are ready, and I'm now removing them from the pan. I'm going to set them aside to cool down. As you can see, I've removed the first batch. They look very soft, and of course they are very soft, as you see, and very tasty. Thank you for watching the video. Have a lovely day.